Perplexity AI, Introduction, Main Features, and Upcoming Features. Introduction. Perplexity AI is an AI-powered search and research assistant that provides direct answers with cited sources instead of just showing a list of web links. It combines advanced language models with real-time web search to help users find accurate information, conduct research, summarize content, and solve problems faster. Perplexity has become one of the fastest-growing AI platforms for students, professionals, developers, and businesses. Main features 1. AI-powered search provides instant answers to questions while citing the original sources, making information easier to verify. 2. Deep research performs multi-step research, analyzes multiple sources, and generates detailed reports for complex topics. 3. Source citations. Every answer includes references and links to original sources, improving transparency and trust. 4. Multiple AI models. Users can choose from leading AI models such as GPT, Claude, Gemini, and others, depending on their subscription plan. 5. Model Council. A feature that compares responses from multiple AI models simultaneously to improve accuracy and reduce errors. 6. Comet AI Browser. An AI-powered browser that helps users search, summarize web pages, and interact with content using voice and AI assistants. 7. AI agent capabilities. Perplexity Computer can perform complex workflows, automate tasks, create reports, and manage projects using multiple AI models. Upcoming features and updates. 1. Advanced AI agents. Perplexity is expanding its computer agent to handle more autonomous tasks and enterprise workflows. 2. Enhanced memory system. The new brain memory system will allow AI agents to remember previous work, learn from past interactions, and improve future performance. 3. More enterprise features. Improved collaboration, enterprise memory, governance controls, and knowledge management tools for organizations. 4. Better mobile integration. Perplexity is expanding integrations with smartphones, including partnerships and AI assistant features on flagship devices. 5. Smarter research and analysis. Future updates are expected to improve deep research, financial analysis, coding assistance, and report generation capabilities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI updates.